Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an Outlook email account on your Samsung Galaxy S8. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. This will launch the application and bring you to your main email interface where you can access all your messages and settings. Once your email has loaded, direct your attention to the top left part of your mobile screen. You'll see the Outlook icon there. Tap on it to open the navigation menu. When you do this, a settings menu will slide out from the left side of your screen, giving you access to various options and configurations for your Outlook app. From this menu, scroll down to the bottom until you locate the gear icon. This is your settings button, and tapping on it will take you to the main settings window where you can customize your Outlook experience and manage your accounts. Now, within the settings window, look for the Accounts tab. You'll find this under the General section. Tap on it to open your Accounts menu. This is where you can view all your currently connected email accounts and add new ones to your Outlook app. Within the Accounts menu, look for the Add Account option and tap on it. This will bring up a list of different account types you can connect to Outlook. From the list of options, select Add an Email Account. This option is specifically designed for adding email accounts from various providers to your Outlook mobile app. Finally, you'll see fields where you can enter your email account credentials. Simply add your email address and password in the fields provided. Then tap the Login or Sign In button. The app will verify your credentials and establish a connection with your email server. After a moment, your logged in account will now be successfully added to your Outlook mobile app, and you'll be able to access all your emails, contacts, and calendar events right from your Samsung Galaxy S8. And that's it. You've successfully added your Outlook email account to your Samsung Galaxy S8, giving you quick access to all your messages on the go. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.